Hi everyone, welcome back. I am currently using the broken tripod, so I'm just gonna hope it doesn't fall apart on me. Yeah, well anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get this blue and greenish color and pink look, and I'm gonna be using my BH 42 color shade palette and creamy mattes. So, this sheet, sorry. I'm gonna be using this color here, the Periwinkle blue, the aqua blue, this pink right here, and I'm also using this shade right here. Yes. So, we're gonna start with that Periwinkle blue. Actually, we're gonna start with an eyeshadow primer. So once you get your primer on, then you're gonna go in with the Periwinkle blue. Let me wipe my finger off real quick. And you're just gonna put it on your brush and dab it on the inner corner. Got a little on my nose. So once you get the Periwinkle blue on, you're then gonna go in with the aqua blue. Aqua. And you're just gonna dab that down the middle. And you're gonna kind of blend in your two edges, just ever so lightly. And then the next color you're gonna go in with is that pink color. And it's going on your outer corner. Okay, once you have done that, I'm actually going to take my makeup wipe and I'm just going to clean up my edges really quick. And I'm actually going to go in with a tad more of the pink. Just a tad bit. I just feel like it could have been smoother. There we go. And then once you have that done, I am then going to take this shimmery color I have. And this is called Got Class. It's a crushed metallic pigment by MAC. So anything like white that's light and shimmery will work the best. And all I'm doing is I'm applying this to my finger. And I'm just going to lightly just start to dab this all over my lid. So you should end up with something like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with that shade that I said was going to be my transition shade. And basically I'm just going on my brow with this. And just, sorry about that. So what I was saying was I'm going to take the transition shade. And I'm just moving this out around my eyebrow. And just kind of cleaning up these edges. Because I don't want any harsh edge. So once you have done that, then you're gonna go in with your black eyeliner and finish the rest of your face, and I will be right back. Hi, okay. I already said hi. I don't know why I just tried to say hi again. I'm back, and this is the complete, sorry about that, complete look. So we have the periwinkle blue, the aqua green, and the pink. So, yeah. So that's what my look consists of today. That's it. I don't know why I keep saying Thanks for watching. Bye.